Hi, friends. Welcome to Easy Speak English podcast. I'm Priya, your friend and guide, and this is episode 18, Basic Conversation in English. Learn English conversation for beginners. Want to chat in English without feeling shy? You're in the right place. Today, we're learning 15 easy phrases like, "Hi, how's it going?" to talk confidently in daily life. No boring lessons, just fun, real English. Grab a pen, hit subscribe, and let's make English trending. I used to freeze in conversations. I'd want to say hi, but my mind went blank, and I felt so shy. Once at a cafe, I mumbled, hi? And the waiter smiled, just relax. That changed everything. Another time, I practiced nice day, right? With a friend. Felt so natural. Today, I'm here to help you with 3 tips, 3 stories about chatting in a cafe, park, and shop, plus role plays and shadowing to make you a conversation pro. You've got this. Let's dive in. Nice and easy. Tip 1. Start with greetings. Greetings like, "Hi, how's it going?" are simple and make people smile. I used to just nod, but saying, "Hey, what's up?" to a classmate felt so confident. Greetings open the door to chatting. Here's how to greet. Say, "Hi" or "Hey" to start. Add a question. "How's it going?" or "What's up?" Smile and sound relaxed like a friend. Here are 15 easy phrases for conversations. 1. "Hi, how's it going?" Friendly greeting. 2. "Hey, what's up?" Casual start. 3. "Nice to see you." Warm and welcoming. 4. "How are you?" Classic question. 5. "I'm good, thanks." Easy reply. 6. "Nice day, right?" Small talk starter. 7. "What do you think?" Invite their opinion. 8. "Sounds good." Agree cheerfully. 9. "Thanks a lot." Show gratitude. 10. "No problem." Keep it chill. 11. "See you later." Friendly goodbye. 12. "Take care." Warm farewell. 13. "Cool, you know." Casual agreement. 14. "Can you help?" Ask politely. 15. "That's great." Show excitement. Let's practice. Pick 3 phrases. "Hi, how's it going?" "I'm good, thanks." "Nice day, right?" Say each 5 times with a smile. Say it now. Say 3 sentences. "Hi, how's it going?" "I'm good." "Nice day, right?" You know. Cool. Say them aloud 3 times. Say it now. Mini quiz. Someone says, "Hey." You reply, A. "Thanks a lot." B. "Hi, how's it going?" C. "No problem." Answer. B. Say, "Hi, how's it going?" 3 times now. Confidence builder. Look in a mirror, say, "Hey, what's up?" with a big smile 5 times. Comment below, "I said hi, how's it going today?" Let's try a cafe story. Story 1. Chatting in a cafe. Priya tries chatting at a cafe. Shadow each line, repeat aloud, nice and slow. "I'm at a cozy cafe, nervous about talking. I think, I want to chat but I'm shy." The waiter says, "Hey, what's up?" I smile, "Hi, how's it going?" He nods, "I'm good, thanks. You?" I say, "Nice day, right?" He grins. "Sounds good." I reply, "Thanks a lot. I feel confident and chat again next time." Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions. Answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer, she's shy about talking. What does she say? Answer, "Hi, how's it going?" How does she feel at the end? Answer, confident. Key phrases. Repeat after me. 1. "Hi, how's it going?" 2. "Nice day, right?" 3. "Sounds good." 4. "Thanks a lot." Say each 5 times. "Hi, how's it going?" Mix them. "Hi, how's it going?" "Sounds good." Say 3 times now. Write 2 combos. "Nice day, right?" "Thanks a lot." "Hi, how's it going?" "Sounds good." Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1. Try it. Grab a friend or a book. You. "Hi, how's it going?" Friend. "I'm good, thanks." You. "Nice day, right?" Friend. "Sounds good." You. "Thanks a lot." Do it twice. Switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2. Mix it up. Try a new version. You. Hey, what's up? Friend. Nice to see you. I'm good, thanks. Friend. Sounds good. You. That's great. Do it twice. Switch roles. Say it now. Comment below. I said hi, how's it going at a cafe? And hit like. Next tip. Tip 2. Use small talk to connect. Small talk, like, nice day, right? Keeps chats flowing. I used to stay quiet, but saying, what do you think? To a friend sparked a fun chat. Small talk is easy. It makes you sound friendly. Here's how to do small talk. Ask simple questions. How are you? Or, nice day, right? Use fillers. To sound relaxed. Keep it light. Talk about weather or plans. Let's practice. Pick 3 phrases. Nice day, right? What do you think? Cool, Say each 5 times with a smile. Say it now. Say 3 sentences. Nice day, right? What do you think? Cool? Cool, Let's chat. Say them aloud 3 times. Say it now. Mini dialogue. With a friend or mirror. You. Nice day, right? Friend. Yeah, cool, You. What do you think? Repeat 3 times. Switch roles. Say it now. Comment. I said, nice day, right? To a friend. Let's try a park story. Story 2. Chatting in a park. Priya tries small talk in a park. Shadow each line. Repeat aloud, nice and slow. I'm in a park, nervous about chatting. I think, I want to talk but I'm shy. My friend Sam says, hey, what's up? I smile. Nice day, right? Sam nods. Yeah, how are you? I say, I'm good, thanks. Sam grins. What do you think about this place? I reply, cool, I feel confident and chat again next time. Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions. Answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer, she's shy about chatting. What does she say? Answer, nice day, right? How does she feel at the end? Answer, confident. Key phrases. Repeat after me. 1. Nice day, right? 2. I'm good, thanks. 3. What do you think? 4. Cool, Say each 5 times. Nice day, right? Mix them. Nice day, right? Cool, Say 3 times now. Write 2 combos. What do you think? I'm good, thanks. Nice day, right? Cool, Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1. Try it. Use a friend or a notebook. You. Nice day, right? Friend. Yeah, how are you? You. I'm good, thanks. Friend. What do you think? You. Cool, Do it twice. Switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2. Mix it up. Try a new version. You. Hey, what's up? Friend. Nice to see you. You. Nice day, right? Friend. Cool, You. What do you think? Do it twice. Switch roles. Say it now. Comment. I said nice day, right? In a park. And share the video. One more tip. Tip 3. Keep it simple. You don't need big words to chat. Simple phrases like thanks a lot or see you later work great. I used to overthink, but saying no problem to a shopkeeper felt so easy. Keep it short and you'll sound confident. Here's how to keep it simple. Use short replies, thanks or cool. Add a filler, to sound relaxed. Practice daily. Say take care to a friend. Let's practice. Pick 3 phrases. Thanks a lot, no problem, see you later. Say each 5 times with a smile. Say it now. Say 3 sentences. Thanks a lot, No problem, like totally. See you later, cool. Say them aloud 3 times. Say it now. Scenario. Your friend says, nice chat. You reply, see you later. Say it 3 times now. Comment. I said see you later to a friend. Let's wrap up with a shop story. Story 3. Chatting in a shop. Priya tries chatting while shopping. Shadow each line. Repeat aloud, nice and slow. I'm at a shop, nervous about talking. I think, I want to ask, but I'm shy. The cashier says, "Can I help?" I smile. "Hi, how's it going?" She nods. "I'm good, thanks." I say, "Can you help, you know?" She grins. "No problem." I reply, "Thanks a lot." I feel confident and shop again next time. Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions. Answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer. She's shy about talking. What does she say? Answer. Can you help, you know? How does she feel at the end? Answer. Confident. Key phrases. Repeat after me. 1. Can you help? 2. No problem. 3. Thanks a lot. 4. See you later. Say each 5 times. Can you help? Mix them. Can you help? No problem. Say 3 times now. Write 2 combos. Can you help? See you later. Thanks a lot. No problem. Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1. Try it. Use a friend or a bag. You. Can you help, you know? Friend. No problem. Thanks a lot. Friend. See you later. You. That's great. Do it twice. Switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2. Mix it up. Try a new version. You. Hi, how's it going? Friend. I'm good, thanks. You. Can you help? Friend. No problem. You. See you later. Do it twice. Switch roles. Say it now. Comment, "I said can you help" in a shop, and hit subscribe. Daily plan. Chat like a pro. You're ready to chat in English. Here's your daily plan. Morning. Say 3 phrases. Hi, how's it going? Nice day, right? Thanks a lot. Repeat 5 times with a smile. Afternoon. Use a filler. Cool, you know. Say nice day, right? To a friend. Evening. Watch a short English video, like Easy Speak English podcast. Repeat 1 line, like sounds good. Night. Review. I said see you later. So cool. Troubleshooting. Nervous? Say hi to a friend and smile. Forget phrases? Save how's it going on your phone. Sound unnatural? Practice in a mirror, like chatting with a friend. Challenge. Use hi, how's it going in 3 chats this week. At a cafe, park, or shop. Comment your win below. Wow, friends, you've nailed basic English conversation with 15 phrases to chat like a pro. You're ready for cafes, parks, and shops with "Hi, how's it going?" English is your superpower. Use it. Mess up, laugh, and keep going. Drop your favorite phrase below. Like I said, nice day, right? Today. Chat like a pro. Try 1 phrase, comment, subscribe, and shine.